Theme Park DNA here with another Ultrasabers unboxing. So today I've got my raffle entry for the spring raffle, which is a diamond Spectre, which I'm really excited about. And I was lucky enough to be a raffle winner in my first raffle, and I got a second place prize, which is a random hilt with random features. So I don't know what I'm gonna get. The email that I got talked about the entry coming in, and to my understanding, it was my understanding that the raffle prize would come in with the entry, but the email that I got didn't say anything about the raffle prize. So I really don't know if there's one Saber in here or two, and so I suppose that we will find out together. So I'm excited, even if there's only one Saber in here. I'm really looking forward to the Spectre. Oh, we've got two in here. All right. Got the X-Star battery charger for the rechargeable batteries. What else do we have in here? Random blade plug. Got the standard blade plug again. I'm getting quite the collection of these. Normal Ultrasabers cards. This is a first for me, but looks like it's instructions for the diamond controller. And here is the charger. I got the slow charger because I ordered the Spectre with a recharge port. So I'm excited about that. Alright, I got another random t-shirt in a medium. Wow. Well, it's a different t-shirt than before. Best Sabers in the Galaxy and a galaxy far, far away. Alright. Let's get into the raffle prize. I'm excited about this. I can see what it is. Curse you. Clear bubble wrap. But I'm still excited about it. Thank you, Ultrasabers. Thank you for a free lightsaber. I gotta say, this is the only company that I know that does this, that does free lightsabers during promotions, that has raffle prizes. There's a lot of people out there who are not big fans of Ultrasabers, and I understand some of their reasoning, but nonetheless, as you can tell, I'm a fan. I like them. Alright, so wow, that's good looking. So we have a Sentinel V4, LE V4, illuminated AV switch with a color matching CoverTech wheel, emitter windows, and this looks like a V5 pommel on a V4 Saber, and It's a vented pommel. Wow, this is exciting. This looks like at least a, this looks like a V4 sound card. That's awesome. All right, enough of the guts. Let's. Sorry about the squeak. Oh wow, 8 again silver. Got the illuminated silver switch to match. Obsidian sound font.
Ancient Saber. Episode 1. Episode 2. Episode 6.
Mute.
Confirm.
Wow. All right, so I'm going to be doing a full review on that later, but that's awesome. I'm real happy about it, and I'm very appreciative. Thank you, Ultrasabers, for a free lightsaber. All right, now I'm really excited about this one. Wow, that's pretty cool. A little extra bubble wrap because of the Saber. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. Favorite hilt yet. I know it's a little early to announce, but this thing looks amazing. All right, so as I said earlier, this is the Spectre with a diamond controller. I will give a very thorough review here not too long from now, but just looking at it, this thing looks great. I got the pommel without the D-ring, and I had to go for the etching. I don't know how well you can see the circuit board etching on there, but it looks great. Angled activation box. Of course, it's got the Saber. For those of you who are not familiar, most of you I'm sure are, this is Ultrasaber's version of the Kanan Jarrus lightsaber from Star Wars Rebels, and it looks a lot like it. The circuit board etching is their own design. You can choose with or without. I got it with, just because it looks amazing. Moving up, so we have this Saber style handguard here, and looking at the emitter, I chose to get the windowed emitter, and on this one I got a 32-inch mid-grade blade. I ordered some heavy duty blades, but they were quite heavy, and this one doesn't seem to need it. Feels amazing in the hand. Let's take a look at my presets here. Guardian. Well, no, it's pulsing, of course. So the primary color on this is going to be Arctic Blue, and it's pulsing to Guardian Blue. With Violet, the purple flash on Clash. I don't know what I did there.
Unit 1 in use. You will now override gesture number.
Yep, don't know how to work the diamond controller. Let's save that for another one. Wow, I'm really impressed. Recharge port. And a cover tech wheel. Wow. Alright, well that is awesome. Free sound Saber. Wow. This thing looks great. Alright, well I am super excited about my order and about getting it so quickly. They've coming off of the heels of the winter raffle and the Franken Saber promotion, things had gotten really slowed and backed up, but the spring raffle, they got sabers to everyone really fast, comparatively speaking. So I'm really happy with the product. I'm really happy with the speed. We are going to have full reviews to follow, and that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching.